Welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie, and today is the last installment in Finish It February 2023. And I left the big project for last. Yes, we completed an entire mini album using the Simple Stories Life Captured line. I love doing mini albums. I don't seem to be always so good about filling them up. So as I was completing this book, I was trying to think about what I would use it for. And the Life Captured line has a real focus on like an annual kind of documenting of your life. And that's how this one's laid out. So it features like month 1, month 2, etc. And I was thinking, well, I haven't prepped for month in review for 2023, so maybe I could use this, but I've decided, I think instead I'm going to use this to document my photo challenge that I'm participating in. It's a challenge that is being issued by a young teenage girl who is a daughter of a friend of mine, and I will leave a link to her website where she lists the photo prompts. Well, it's intended to be a photo a day. It doesn't have to be. You can pick and choose whatever it is that you want. I am just working through the prompts as I come across them. So I will look in advance, for the month of January and mix and match, that kind of thing. At the end of the day, if I get 20 photos out of a possible 31 days, I'm going to be super pleased. They're capturing things that I probably wouldn't have taken photos of, so it gives you a different look into my life, which is why I think it fits with Life Captured. Okay, enough blabbering. That's what I'm going to do. And this is what the book looks like. So it is a series of pockets, 6 by 8 pages, pocket pages with pockets that you can pull in and out. Where I actually added a lot of the embellishments on the exterior side of the pocket just to allow for things to come in and out easier, and also to allow me to add photos a little bit easier. We also did some out of the page inserts. This was kind of fun. The only thing that I'm not a huge fan of these Simple Stories little mini books, they remind me of those project folders. We used to call them duotangs. I don't know if that's a Canadian term or not, or it's probably a brand name. Is that the pages don't bend in the same way they would in a ring bound system. So just something to keep in mind. So you'll notice like there's numbers periodically to denote the change in the month. Of course, it doesn't have to be, because I don't think anywhere in here we put the month. You could just have it for whatever story. You could have 12 stories in a year. So this is the project for the final month. See what I mean? This one here I put these on the outside of the pocket. For the ones that are outside of the pocket where I can't put the embellishments, I just was very careful to not adhere. So in this case here, I just put the adhesive on the back side, and then this way I can still add photos pretty easily. So little flips, pockets on the side. It's cute, right? As I was working on this, I remembered that the SAT sampler kit for the month of January features the same line. So if I actually have more photos that I want to add to this book, I actually have more paper and pocket cards to finish it off with. So I will probably take that kit and keep it with this so that I have that available should I need it. So that, my friends, is the end of Finish It February 2023. I'm really pleased with the progress I made. Obviously, I would have liked to have gotten a few more classes done, but it is what it is. You take the time that you have and you do the best that you can. I hope that you played along, and if so, be sure to leave a note below how you're making out, if you're happy with the progress, or perhaps you had some roadblocks. Please feel free to share. And until next time, happy crafting.